everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the electrifying world of German nightlife. You might know Germany for its engineering, its beer, and its beautiful castles. But let me tell you, when the sun goes down, a whole different side of the country comes alive. From legendary techno clubs in Berlin to cozy traditional pubs in Bavaria, there's something for every kind of night owl. So grab your dancing shoes or just a comfy chair as we take a tour of Germany after dark. First up, the undisputed king of European nightlife, Berlin. This city doesn't just have a nightlife scene, it is a nightlife scene. It's a place where the party literally never stops. We're talking about clubs that open on Friday and don't close until Monday morning. The vibe here is all about freedom, creativity, and a deep love for electronic music. The most famous, or perhaps infamous, spot is Berghain. Getting in is notoriously difficult, but if you do, you're in for an experience you'll never forget. Areas like Kreuzberg and Friedrichshain are packed with incredible venues. Watergate offers stunning riverside views, while Tresor, housed in an old power plant, is a true techno cathedral. Chic cocktail lounges, and everything in between. It's a city that celebrates individuality, so just be yourself and you'll find your spot. Now let's head south to the heart of Bavaria, Munich. Of course, you can't talk about Munich without mentioning its world-famous beer gardens and beer halls, like the Hofbrauhaus. These places are lively year-round, filled with music, laughter, and, of course, amazing beer. It's a social, communal experience that's quintessentially German. But Munich's nightlife isn't just about steins of lager. The Glockenbachwirt and Schwabing districts are buzzing with stylish bars and trendy clubs. You'll find everything from sophisticated cocktail bars, serving artisanal drinks, to high-energy dance clubs, playing a mix of international hits and electronic music. Now, the Reeperbahn has a reputation. And while it is Europe's largest red light district, it's also a massive entertainment hub. It's packed with live music venues, theaters, dive bars, and dance clubs. It's where the Beatles cut their teeth back in the 60s, and that rock and roll spirit is still alive and well. You can catch an up-and-coming band at a place like Indra Club or Molotov. But if the rowdiness of the Reeperbahn isn't your style, Hamburg has plenty of other options. The Sternschanze and Karolinenviertel neighborhoods offer a more alternative, bohemian vibe with hip bars, cozy pubs, and unique event spaces. Hamburg's scene is gritty, authentic, and always surprising. Let's move west to Cologne, a city famous for its cathedral, its carnival, and its incredibly friendly locals. Cologne's nightlife is centered around its unique Kölsch beer culture. The city is filled with traditional brewhouses or Brauhäuser, where you reserve small glasses of the local Kölsch beer until you put your coaster on top of your glass. It's a very social and relaxed way to start an evening. But Cologne knows how to party too. The Belgisches Viertel, or Belgian Quarter, is the city's trendiest area, with a high concentration of cool bars and stylish boutiques. For clubbing, head to Ehrenfeld, a former industrial district now home to some of Cologne's best music venues and techno clubs, like Odonien, a scrapyard turned open-air club and art space. It's a perfect example of Cologne's creative and unpretentious spirit. Plus, the people in Cologne are known for being open and welcoming, which makes a night out here feel like you're partying with old friends. Heading over to Frankfurt, Germany's financial hub, you might expect a more buttoned-up nightlife scene. And while there are certainly plenty of upscale rooftop bars with stunning skyline views, Frankfurt also has a surprisingly raw and vibrant underbelly. The area around the central station, Bahnhofsviertel, has transformed in recent years. What was once a seedy district is now a melting pot of cultures, with some of the city's most exciting bars and restaurants. It's a place where you can find an authentic dive bar right next to a chic, modern cocktail lounge. For clubbing, Frankfurt is a major center for techno and house music. Legendary clubs like Robert Johnson, technically in the neighboring city of Offenbach, attract world-class DJs and a dedicated crowd. So don't let Frankfurt's corporate exterior fool you. This city has a nightlife scene with real soul and serious energy. Of course, we can't forget about cities like Leipzig and Dusseldorf. Leipzig is often called the New Berlin for its booming creative scene and affordable living, which has given rise to an incredible nightlife. The Carly Street in the south is the main artery, lined with an endless array of bars and late-night eateries. The city's industrial past has left a legacy of amazing spaces that have been converted into clubs and cultural centers, especially in the Plagwitz district. Meanwhile, Dusseldorf offers a very chic and stylish night out. The Altstadt, or Old Town, is famously known as the longest bar in the world because of the sheer density of over 250 pubs and bars packed into a small area. Here, you can sample the local alt beer and hop from one venue to the next. For a more glamorous experience, the Medienhafen, with its futuristic architecture, is home to upscale lounges and exclusive clubs. So, a few tips for enjoying a night out in Germany. First, public transport is generally excellent, even late at night, especially in the bigger cities. It's a safe and affordable way to get around. Second, while many places accept cards, it's always a good idea to have some cash on you, especially for smaller bars or paying entrance fees at clubs. Third, dress codes vary wildly. In Berlin, it's all about being casual and individualistic. Wearing all black is a safe bet for techno clubs. In cities like Munich or Dusseldorf, people might dress up a bit more. The best advice is to just check the venue's vibe online beforehand. And finally, be open and embrace the local culture. Try the local beer, chat with people, and just go with the flow. German nightlife is less about exclusivity and more about shared experience and a love for good music and good company. That's our whirlwind tour of German nightlife. From the techno temples of Berlin to the cozy beer halls of Munich and the punk rock spirit of Hamburg, Germany truly offers an incredible variety of experiences after dark. It's a country that works hard and, as we've seen, parties even harder. I hope this has inspired you to explore Germany's nocturnal side on your next trip. What's your favorite German city for a night out? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your stories and recommendations. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you in the next one.